Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is you are the problem but you are also the solution. So if you're interested in what I'm on about, let's cue the intro and get right into it. Let's go. So before we do get started, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And let's dive straight into it. So what I mean by you are the problem and you are the solution, this is going to be kind of a motivational video. But I want you to realize that all of the successful people, like no matter who you decide, they all have the same amount of time in the day to do things like that. And you put yourself in that situation that you're in right now, whether you're happy about it or you're not. So if you don't have enough money right now, if you don't live in the right place that you want to live, it doesn't matter where you are right now, you put yourself in that situation. So if you did something else that maybe it was worth it, maybe it wasn't, but you are also the solution for it. So you can change everything right now if you want to. So if you decide that today you want to start making money, it's not going to happen overnight. You have to decide that. But if you decide that you really want to change everything, you can absolutely do that right now. So a lot of people had that issue. Some people started off very poor and just decided that this was time, it was over. They didn't want to be in that place where they were right now, whether they were drug addicts, whether they were drinking, whether they were, no matter what it was. And they decided that it was time to change, and they decided to change. And some of these people are multi-millionaires, some people of them are billionaires. So you really have to decide where you want to go and make a decision that you're going to change it. And once you make that decision, you're going to change the way you do things every single day. Every single day you have to ask yourself, what step have I made to go one step closer to that? And if there was no step, you better make a change again, because you just have to focus on doing that every single day. Like this video I'm filming before Christmas, but there was a video that came out on Christmas, there was a video coming out on New Year's, it doesn't matter. Every single day I'm putting a video out, and that's what I'm talking about. You have to move towards your goals every single day. If you don't do that, then that will be a problem, because you might end up where you are right now in the next year, the next 2 years, the next 3 years. And to some people that might not be an issue. To some of the people, they are perfectly happy with where they are right now, and if they end up in the same place 3 years from now, it's perfectly okay for that. And that's perfect for these people. Like, if that is you, please do not change a single thing and just keep going with your life, because that's awesome. But this video is for people that really want to change, and I just wanted to make sure that you have a mindset switch where you can completely change it, because that is what is going to improve your life. So if you're not happy with where you are right now, you can absolutely change it, but you have to get rid of these excuses that you don't have time, money, or different things like that. You don't sound right, you don't have the right accent. Like, look at me, I have an accent that doesn't come from anywhere. Like, I'm half from New Zealand, half from France, and most people, when they hear me speak, they think I'm from South Africa. So, like, I could possibly be the worst person like that, but I just make it happen and make some videos. So that was kind of an insight of what you really, really need to change to actually, like, be able to get to the next step in your life. So most of my videos are more like down to earth on what you should actually be doing, all the technical aspects of it. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you check out all my other videos, because I've got so much content like that. Also, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I put a video out. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye for now.